Friends, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a t-shirt business and make at least $500 a day. Not only that, if you start wholesaling these t-shirts, you can easily make $30,000 to $40,000 a month. It might sound unbelievable, but trust me, there's nothing to be surprised about. If you run your business the right way, you can earn even more than that. There are millions of people all over the world who make thousands of dollars every single day through business. The only reason you're not doing it yet is because you don't have the right guidance and the right mindset. Today, I'm going to share with you some powerful secrets about the t-shirt business that you won't find anywhere else. If you're unemployed or struggling financially, I sincerely ask you, please don't skip this video. T-shirts are one of those garments that have massive demand all over the world, not just in your country. People love wearing t-shirts because they're comfortable. But here's something most people don't realize. The majority of t-shirts available in the global market right now aren't made of cotton. Most of them are made from polyester fibers. These polyester t-shirts don't feel comfortable to wear, and people prefer eco-friendly, 100% cotton t-shirts instead. But there's a huge shortage of pure cotton t-shirts in the global market. Customers want them, but many sellers and manufacturers can't provide them. Why? Because they don't know where to find real cotton t-shirts or which country produces them. And even if they do find out, once they learn they have to import from another country, they get scared. They think it's risky or too expensive. But honestly, that's not true at all. We're only afraid because we don't know how simple it actually is. From today, we're going to learn how to overcome that fear with knowledge. If you have $500 or even $1,000, you can start your business right now. You'll start small, and as you grow step by step, one day you'll become very successful. Every millionaire you see today once stood where you are right now. They worked hard, invested time and effort, and built their success from nothing. And you can do the same. When it comes to pure cotton fabric, the most famous country in the world is Bangladesh. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe not. But Bangladesh is known for producing high-quality, eco-friendly cotton garments. So how can you import eco-friendly, 100% cotton t-shirts from Bangladesh, sell them, and make $500 to $1,000 every day? Let me tell you step by step. Listen carefully and take notes. Let's say you have $500 or more. The first thing you need to do is contact a reliable, trustworthy garment manufacturer in Bangladesh. You might be wondering how to contact them. It's actually very simple. Just open your internet browser and search BGMEA All Members Contact List. You'll see a list of Bangladeshi garment factory owners with contact numbers. You can contact them directly on WhatsApp and explain your business idea and what you're looking for. You can also search Bangladeshi buying houses. Those are agencies that connect foreign buyers with local garment factories. You'll find their websites, emails, and phone numbers. Just reach out to them. But here's an important warning. Never make a payment or finalize a deal with anyone without verifying their authenticity first. If you want, you can verify them through us. We'll provide our WhatsApp number and email address in the description box. We have a large agency in Bangladesh that can verify any company for you and confirm if they're legitimate. Once we tell you that a company is verified and trustworthy, you can safely start communicating and doing business with them. Next, choose a t-shirt design you like. You can either buy one physically or download a design sample from the internet. Send that design to the manufacturer and tell them, I want this exact t-shirt made from 100% cotton fabric. Then send them your size measurements and style preferences by email. They will create a sample t-shirt for you and ship it to your address. Once you receive it, check it carefully. Wash it to see if the color fades. Check the stitching, the softness, and the overall quality. If you're happy with it, contact them again and place your order. If not, tell them what needs to be improved, and they'll make another sample for you. Once you're satisfied with the final sample, you can confirm your bulk order. They'll start production and ship your products within about 10 days. You can also have your own logo or brand name printed on your t-shirts, which is actually a great idea. As your product gains popularity, your brand will grow in the market, and one day you'll stand alongside the world's biggest brands. Let me give you an example. Each t-shirt made from 100% pure cotton will cost you around $10, including all expenses until it reaches your hands. If you make it from polyester, the cost will be even lower. The selling price of a pure cotton t-shirt in the marketplace is usually around $30 to $60, or even more. Now you might be wondering where you'll sell them. In today's online era, you can sell everything right from your home. Find out which online platform is most popular in your country. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, or Alibaba. Create your account, upload attractive videos and photos of your products, and promote them through local ads or boosted posts. You'll start selling hundreds of pieces easily. You can also contact local shop owners and offer them wholesale deals. Or you can sell both retail and wholesale from your account. You can even create your own website under your brand name, upload your product photos and videos, and get even more sales directly from there. Slowly but surely, your product line will grow, your sales will increase, and one day you'll build a massive business. You can also collaborate with major clothing brands in your country. Talk to them, find out what kinds of products they need, and source those items from Bangladesh. Supply them directly and make a great profit. You can even give some t-shirts to unemployed friends. Ask them to take the products in a car and sell them in crowded areas. That way, both you and your friends will earn money. If you make just $10 profit per t-shirt and sell 100 pieces a day, that's a $1,000 daily business. Now imagine how much those people are earning who sell thousands of t-shirts every day. And if you think importing from Bangladesh is too complicated, don't worry. We, UBI, are here to help you. Just send us a photo of the product you want, and we'll help you get it made easily and safely. One more thing. When you order your first sample to check the quality, manufacturers usually charge around $100. That's because the cost to make and ship one piece is almost the same as making 10. But once you've done business with them and know they're reliable, you won't need to order samples again. Just send them your design photos, and they'll make and deliver exactly what you want. Before you make any payments, always verify the company first. And if you need help verifying, we're here for you. On my channel, I regularly post videos about export, import, and eco-friendly products, and how you can start international businesses from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and stay connected, because I'll be sharing more new and exciting business ideas that can truly change your life.